What's up, YouTube? It's the Random Dude here, and today we're switching it up a bit. We're outside in nature. Gonna take it in, just wander around here. So yeah, we're not alone. We got my dear Toby. Come on, Toby. Tobes. Say hi, Tobes. Yeah, he's with us. Oh, yeah, he'll be wandering around. So, yeah, I decided to switch it up a bit. And I was just like, why not? Let's go outside. Because we have an insane amount of snow. Like seriously, it's wild. We've got like such an insane amount of snow. That's a lot, I must say, in my personal opinion. So, yeah, out here, just wander around. We're gonna head over to this area over here. Little nature area. Now you might hear my dog barking in the background. That's just how he is. He's a big barker. Holy, it's a struggle walking out. It's like a snowball back there. Here we are. We're in nature now. Yeah, it gets fairly dark because there's a lot of trees in here. That's what you'd expect. So, yeah, there's still needles falling around. There's no shot you're gonna see. There's no shot you're gonna see that. Yeah, there are a couple of needles. And, yeah. So, I really like this little area here. Oh, look at here. Some animal trails. Not too sure what that is. Maybe you guys could comment down below. Say what you guys think that is. So, yeah, that's the outdoor mini short, and I hope you guys enjoyed that. So, yeah.